Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer an image off your iPhone onto Google Docs, which we all do on a daily basis for school. First, you are going to need to go to your camera app, take a photo, and in this case, I just took a picture of my math homework, and make sure the picture is clear and it looks good. And then on your phone, you're going to go to the Google Docs app, and you got to make sure you have this installed or else you're not going to be able to do this. Then you will either already have a doc that you can put the picture on, but in this case, I didn't have one. So I just made a new doc, titled it Math Homework, created it new. Then you're going to click the plus sign in the top right hand corner, and you can also title it whatever you want, like in the doc and write it. Then you're going to click the plus sign, image from photos. Then you're going to click your image, make sure it looks all good, and then you're done.